Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll have a beginner's guide on how to invest your first $1,000. Investing can seem like a jungle sometimes, with so many options and so many different paths to go. So, what should you pick? How do you spend your money for a maximum return? You have already completed the first step by clicking on this video. Gathering a bunch of information before going out and putting all of your money into that one stock that your coworkers talked about at lunch is a really good thing. The stock that they were talking about might be the next Google, but most likely it won't. This is the thing about investing. Nobody actually knows what the next big trend is, but everyone is trying to predict it. And by doing so, you could make a ton of money, but you could also very easily lose a ton of money. I have divided investing your first $1,000 into 3 small steps. First off, gathering information, which you're already working on. Then finding your risk and what type of investment you want to do. And the third point is just to go do it. First off, gathering information. As I said, you're already working on this one, which is great. It is important to gather information before you invest your money. No matter what type of investment you want to make, information is always an advantage. You have probably also come over a lot of articles or videos that tells you to spend some of your money on a bunch of books or online classes before you spend any money on actually investing, which can be very teachable. But if you just want to get started, you shouldn't spend a long time reading a bunch of books or taking week-long classes upon investing. You will be able to find so much information just by reading articles online, or as you're doing right now, watching videos about investing. Here you'll be able to learn a lot, and it is plenty just to get started. Therefore, I'll recommend you just to search the web for free information about investing, and instead spend your money on investing even more. Next up, you have to decide how much risk you're willing to take. You'll most likely want a passive income and not having to do a ton of work. But if you, on the other hand, don't mind a lot of work, then starting your own business could possibly be the best investment that you can make. But this is probably also the one that comes with the highest risk. If it's a success, you'll be able to earn a ton of money. But if it fails, you'll probably lose all of your money invested. If you don't want to risk all of the money and still want to be able to make a nice return, then the stock market could be the place for you. If your time frame is long, this is a great place to put your money. If you're new, you should consider looking into some different index funds or ETFs. Here you're able to diversify your money into a huge part of the market for just a small fee. This will lower your risk and most likely give you a nice return in the long run. You're even able to enter real estate through the stock market. This can be done through REITs. REITs is short for Real Estate Investment Trust. It is an investment company that owns assets related to real estate. They're obligated to pay at least 90% of their profits to their stock owners, and therefore will pay you a high dividend. They can be purchased the same place as where you buy your stocks, and is a way of entering real estate with a limited starting capital. So, how about investing in specific stocks, you might ask? This is of course also an option, but with only $1,000, it can be hard to diversify your portfolio, and therefore it would be more risky than to buy an ETF or index fund that will follow the market. If you don't want a lot of risk but still want to be able to grow your money, you could potentially also pick bonds. it has limited risk, but also comes with a lower return than stocks. This means that if you have a long time frame, stocks are probably the better option. If I personally were to start out investing today with limited knowledge about investing and the stock market, I would find some wide and most importantly cheap ETFs or mutual funds. And yes, it's very important to find some cheap ones, and you should never pay more than at max 0.5% annually, because it can get very expensive in the long run. But putting $1,000 into an ETF or mutual fund would be a great start of your investment career. Here you can follow the market and still grow your money quite a bit. Now the only thing left to do is just to do it. Go set up a brokerage account or go register your business. This is the step a lot of people fail on. You might have been thinking about investing in the stock market, and in 5 years, when your money almost could have doubled, potentially, then you regret not doing it. Or if your business idea is the next big trend, but you are too lazy to get it done, you will regret it for the rest of your life. So just go get it started. Find the right index fund that fits the things that you want to invest in and go put your money into it. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos about investing.